Hi there, I am Mario Antuna, and thank you again for letting me know that you're going to be busy. But I wanted to share this property tour here at 2149 Beaujolais here in Fairfield, California. So come on and let's check it out. All right, so you could probably hear the wind. It's a little windy today, but this is our backyard area here. Let's walk in and I'll show you the inside. So here we have our living room area, which is obviously nicely staged. I love the big windows that we have here for a lot of good natural lighting. We have a fireplace that's gas, and that could be like a little entertainment center. The door there goes to your garage. We have a little kind of nook area, and again, love the big windows there for additional lighting. And I like this island here as well. Here we have our inside of the kitchen. So we have the sink here, which is nice. Dishwasher, and again, nice setup with the island. And then these are our cabinets here, the microwave, refrigerator, and we have our stove. This is our pantry that we have here, and then as we come back over into the entryway, we have a half bath that's located. And what I like about this storage, it's deep, and you have additional space right underneath the stairwell. So here we have our formal dining area, in addition to kind of like a formal living room area as well. Again, I can't emphasize how much all these nice big windows. It's going to give us a lot of good natural lighting throughout the day. Let's continue on upstairs. So here, all upstairs is carpeted with the exception of the bathrooms. I like it because we have two sinks here, good lighting. And then we have a separate door that takes us to our toilet and shower area. So let's get on over here. So right here we have our three rooms. This is our first room. Nearest to the bathroom. And I'm thinking this is probably going to be the smallest of the three. That's a view of your neighbors. Closet space. And here are the other two bedrooms, and they're actually a pretty good size. And this is the backyard space that you have. This is the other bedroom here. And what's nice, what I like, is they all have lights. Down the hall here, we have our laundry room, which is upstairs. We have these sliding doors here to close it off, and a nice touch with the other cabinets there. And then we have this kind of like this little archway here. I'll show it to you. And look at all the windows we have up here in this main bedroom. Obviously, close them off for privacy. But a lot of good natural lighting as well. Look at this walk-in closet. Very generous closet space. Main bathroom is here, so we have a tub. Dual sinks, good lighting. This is our shower stall. So this is the court right here. And this is the property located right here. As you see, I came in a little bit later. But a nicely set up garage. garage area right there. And you have all this yard space located right here. That leads you right into the entrance. So I hope you liked the video tour that we walked here at 2149 Beaujolais here in Fairfield. And if there's any other properties that you want to take a look at, but maybe because of scheduling you might not have the time, let me know. I'd be more than happy to provide another video tour for you. And then I'll be sending some other information to provide you a little bit more, I guess, common knowledge with aspects of real estate and the housing market. So again, thank you.